Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add social media green screen icons to your videos to promote yourself to your audience. We're going to be using canva.com and we're going to be using the presentation format. So you want to pick the color of the page, go to green and just pick a very light green color. And then you want to upload your icons into Canva like you see I'm doing here, and then just resize them to your liking. I like my stuff to have some type of flow on the page, so I like everything one size. To add text to your green screen, you want to go to text on the left, and then Canva has so many different texts that you can choose from, so you don't feel limited when creating your green screen. To add different shapes, you can go to elements on the left corner and then you can hit shapes and it brings up all different types of shapes. I added a shape to the back of my social media tags because I didn't want my green screen to look plain. So you could do whatever type of design you want to do, but as for me, I like to add different shapes so it brings more depth to my design. A cool thing about Canva is that you can customize the shapes to your liking. In this demonstration, you'll see that I rotated the shape and I made it shorter and widened the shape out so that it would fit my social media handles. You can also change the colors of the shapes, which you will see in this demonstration. Once you've picked out your shape, Canva also gives you the option to bring your shape forward or put it in the background. Canva does give you a lot of fonts to choose from, but one of my favorite features would have to be the fact that you can upload your own font into Canva and use it on your designs. For a more precise location of my icons, I like to use the arrows on my keyboard. One of my favorite features on Canva is the duplication button. It's right next to the delete trash can. So basically it saves you time on your design when you can just go ahead and duplicate any design that you have on your workspace. If you're looking for a specific type of shape and it's not showing up, you can go ahead and put it in the search box at the top, and Canva will bring up different shapes that you're looking for. So once you finish your green screen, you have the option to add an animation inside of Canva. Canva gives you different animations to choose from, and I'm just going to go through each one so you can see how they look when it's on your green screen. Now, a pro tip with your animation, you can expand the time to at least 30 seconds. So once you do that, you hit the download button in the right top corner and just download your green screen. So once you download your green screen, you want to take it to iMovie and import it. So you're going to overlay your video with your green screen. And you're going to go to the setting at the top left and change it to green/blue screen. And that is how you're going to get your green screen to show in your video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.